My voice, guys, I am sick, but I wanted to get this video done for you guys. So today I got this hair from this hair company called Tanzania. Don't quote me on that. I don't think I'm saying the name right. So yes, so what is in this bag? And so this is the hair company I got the hair from. It comes with instructions on how to take care of the hair. And here are their social media. I will link all their information in the description below. You can go and check them out and purchase from them. And so they sent me 2 stacking cap as a freebie. And so this is what the hair looks like, guys. I do have a video on me bleaching the knots of this hair, so you could also check that out. And this is a 22 inch 250 density wig, and it's a deep wave as well, and it's a 13 by 14 lace frontal. So your girl is going to install this today. So what you would need is some rubbing alcohol, some cotton swabs. You would need a rat tail comb. You're got to be glue, right? And you're got to be spray as well. And you will also need a clip. And I also got bond glue. And just make sure your hair is braided anyhow. My hair is washed, it's freshly washed, and I just quickly just throw it up in a braid, just so I can have my hair underneath this wig and it's protected. And make sure that you oil your scalp, whatever treatment you do to your hair, do it. And yes, because even though you're wearing a wig, you want to make sure that your hair is protected underneath, right? The whole purpose of wearing a wig is because you want to do a protective style. I'm rubbing alcohol, I'm a cotton swab, and I'm just getting the excess oil off here right now. Oh my gosh. And yeah, sorry for my voice, guys. I am sick to the bone. So I might just end up doing a voiceover. So you just want to wipe that off, okay? And so you want to take your thing and put it over your head like this. Make a slight hole so your ears can come out, so you don't feel, you know. Alright, there. So my ears are breathing. Okay, go in with this, or you can go in with your spray. I like to go in with this first and just line across. And you can use a blow dryer, but currently my blow dryer is not working. Your girl needs to get a new one. I don't really use blow. I'm going to go in with my freeze spray, and I'm just gonna spray this bad boy. Okay. Whew. I'm just going to leave this, let it dry, and when it's dried, because I will be back. Okay guys, so it's dry. I'm just gonna take my makeup brush and I'm just gonna go in, and you're just gonna dab the excess your makeup on top of it, so you get that nice basic color of cut between here. Okay, and I'm gonna cut the other one. Alright. Hold on guys, I gotta kind of be... All I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair and then I'm going to put it on. Okay. Alright. So what you want to do with this part is you just want to make sure you're measuring it where the hairline is, so you know where to put this. Okay, so you want to make sure you're measuring You can see where I have the thing, so I want this down here, right? So you want it down there, and I will cut it. Okay, so make a little split there. Okay guys, so I took off my cap and I did tint the lace. So this is lace tint by Queen, and it's medium brown. So I ended up doing that just so I can get a more of a color. And as you see, yes, and here I did this specially for a reason. So let me put on this wig. Okay, and let's try this all over. I'm gonna go in with my Ghost Spawn glue. I'm just gonna dab the sides with it. What I would use, I just go in with this and smooth it out. Okay. Okay, as you see, it's still a little bit white, so it's almost dry. So when it's dry, it'll be completely, almost completely cleared. So I'm just waiting a little bit more till it dries, and then I'm going to install it. Okay guys, so it's pretty much dry to the point now where I can, okay, I start from the middle. So I'm gonna pull this down. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the middle. Oh, right. And I'll go in with my tail comb. Right. So now I've done that, I'm just gonna go in with my scissors. I'm gonna make an incision on this side as well. So I generally cut 3. So I got 1 in the middle and 3, and then go in. Okay. Okay guys, what lace? Do you see that? Nice and good. So your girl is about to lay her edges. Oh my goodness. So I am going to, I'm a side part type of girl. So I'm gonna find my side part here, and you guys, the knots were bleached. So you see how it turned out? Turned out great, huh? So okay. I've pre-plucked the front and tweezed it as well. So let me just get some water and fix this. Okay guys, so I got my spray bottle here, and I just have some water in it and some leave-in conditioner, and I'm just spraying the hair. That's all I am doing, spraying it. And when you comb through it, you're just getting that nice, look at that, you're getting that nice curl pattern. So I am not doing anything else with this hair. I am just going to finish spraying some water on it. Put the solution. Okay. Guys, so, and as you see, I got my part here, right? And I didn't put any baby hairs at all. No baby hairs at all. I love this curl pattern, like it is life. Look at it. Okay. And see, the more you spray it, the more intense the curls get. So I just spray it, and I just spray this. Okay, and I just comb it down. And do a turn. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all in the next one. Peace, guys.